This also you can do. You can take income from salary, house property and all. Add everything minus this one on the net income you are supposed to calculate. So these are the informations you have. Following is the P&L account of Mr. Sanjay for the year ending 31st March 2017. Now, if you add these two, 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 17, you get 2 lakh 23. Profit brought down and net profit will not consider. Net profit will come in the beginning itself. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your ALsir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 12 of your topic called income tax. Under income tax, we are discussing profit and gain of business and profession. We'll go to next slide. Discuss one problem. Along with that, we will work out the tax liability also. What is the tax liability? Today you will understand better. Now, your agenda. In agenda, we have concept as well as problem. So these are the informations you have. Following is the P&L account of Mr. Sanjay for the year ending 31st March 2017. Now, these are the informations we have and we are supposed to find out which are your taxable income. Now, in this, which are not related to business, we have to find out. Now, office expenses, it is a part of your business. Next, do we have any adjustment? We'll go to adjustment, then we'll come back to your problem. Office expenses include 20,000 paid for personal expenses. See, out of this 20,000 paid for personal. Next, general expenses includes 10,000 paid for Prime Minister National Earthquake Relief Fund. So this is also your personal. How much? 5,000 to trade. 10,000 for PM National Relief Fund and 5,000 to trade association. If it is trade association, that is a part of the business. So if it is a national relief fund and all, it is not part of the business. Next, allowable depreciation, you know that it is as per your income tax. 50% of motor car expense are proprietors' personal use. Half you have to consider as personal. Compute the taxable business income for the assessment year 2017 and 2018. Now, so these are the informations are available in your question. Now, office expenses, in this, remember, as per adjustment, 20,000 paid for personal. So you have to take only how much? 20,000. Bad debts, part of the business. Salary to staff, part of the business. Audit fees, part. Proprietor's salary, you're supposed to take. Interest on capital, yes. Income tax, yes. VAT, no. Charity, yes. Motor car expenses, only 50% you are supposed to take. 18,000 into 50 by 100. Now, municipal tax, yes. General expenditure, remember, in this, 10,000 paid for this. So, Prime Minister National Relief Fund. So, we have to take 10,000 in the general expenses. 10,000. Next, LIP, yes. And net profit, no. Up to this, your income. Now, in this, these are disallowed items. Then, your profit brought down and net profit will not consider. Net profit will come in the beginning itself. Then your gross profit will not come. Bad debts recovered, yes. Amount received from LIC, yes. Interest from, yes. Lottery, yes. Received from LOP, yes. So these are the let out property. LOP means your housing income, let out property. These are the income, these are the informations we have. Now, directly I'll go to answer now. In this, net profit as per P&L, add disallowed items. If you want, you can take screenshot of question. So I'll come back to answer. Now, so we'll come back to answer. Now I'll write one by one. Disallowed item. Under disallowed item, what we have like First one, office expenses 20,000. Office expenses 20,000. Office expenses 20,000. Next, after office expenses, we have proprietor's salary 33,000. Proprietor salary. How much we have? Proprietor's salary we have around 33,000. 33,000. Next, after proprietor's salary, we have interest on capital 12,000. Interest on capital, it is 12,000. Next, after this, we have income tax 11,750. Income tax 11,000. I'll check it again. 11,750. 11,750. Then, so we have VAT. It is a part of the business. Remember, VAT or anything like VAT or any sales tax are part of the business. Then charity, it is 2,000. Take charity. It is 2,000. After this, we have motor car expenses only 50%. Why? Because 50% personal, 50% related to business. Your motor car expenses 9,000. Motor car expenses 9,000. 18,000 divided by 2, it is 9,000. Then we have municipal tax, it is 5,000. That is also personal. Municipal tax, how much it is? Municipal tax is 5,000. We have 5,000 municipal tax. Next, after this, general expenses out of 50, we are supposed to take 10,000. General expenses 10,000. After general expenses, yes, LIP is there. How much? 15,000. LIP 15,000. These are the expenses which are not part of your business. Now, we'll add everything. 20,000 plus 33,000 plus 12,000 plus 11,750 plus 2,000 plus 9,000 plus 5,000 plus 10,000 plus 15,000. I got 1,17,750. 1,17,750. This is what, these are your disallowed item. Clear? So which are not related to business. Now we'll go for your allowable expenses. Continuation actually. Now allowable expenses are other head income. Now we have your bad debts recovered 10,000. Amount received from LIC 50,000. Bad debts recovered 10,000. Bad debts recovered 10,000. Then LIC, how much we got LIC? The LIC we got, yes, we got LIC maturity policy. It is 50,000. Interest from debtors 5,000. 50,000. Interest, I'll go back. Interest from debtors, it is 5,000. Interest from debtors. So it is 5,000. Next, after interest, lottery income, it is 1 lakh. Lottery income, how much? 1 lakh. Received from LOP 72. Lottery income. Lottery income, it is 1 lakh. Then LOP, let out property, income from house property. So how much? Received from LOP, let out property, it is 72,000. 72,000. So these are the income or other head incomes we call it as. So we'll add everything, 10,000 plus 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 1 lakh plus 72,000. So I got 2,37,000. 2,37,000. Now I'll go back to your previous one. It is 11 lakh. It is 1,17,750. I'll cross check once. 20,000 plus 33,000 plus, yes. So we have not taken net profit. What is your net profit? The net profit is 1,06,000. Now you have to start with net profit 1,06,000 plus 1,17,750 minus 2,37,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now I'll cross check once. So 20,000 plus 33, 53,000, almost 65, 76, 78 and 89 and 99. Yes, almost 1 lakh, 1,17,000. Yes, we got 1,17,750. And these are the income, bad debts, LIC, interest from debenture, lottery income, LOP. Along with that, we have one more in the adjustment. Allowable depreciation 10,000. We have not taken, we have to take. Allowable depreciation 10,000. Depreciation. So allowable depreciation, it is 10,000. Now add everything. So it will be 10,000 plus 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 1 lakh plus 72,000 plus 10,000. 10,000 plus 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 1 lakh plus 72,000 plus 10,000. I got how much? 2,47,000. You will get business income or business loss. In this, you will get business loss actually. Your net profit, your gross profit is, your profit is 1,06,000. 1,06,000 minus all your expenditure. Now, we'll add this 1,06,000 plus 117,750. I got 2,23,750 minus 2,47,000. I got 23,250. 23,250. This is nothing but your business income. Hope you are clear. What is this? Your business income. Hope you are clear. So your business income, it is not income actually, it is loss. It is loss. Why? Because if you add these two, 1 lakh plus 1,17,000, you get 2,23,000. From 2,23,000, if you minus 2,47,000, you will get minus 23,250. This is not income actually, business loss. Clear? Your business loss is how much? 2,23,250 is your business loss. Now, so we'll not do total income for this. We'll do total income when there is a profit. It is not that you cannot do. You can do. You have to show it as a loss. But we will do your total income with tax liability, for which problem we have profit. This also you can do. You can take income from salary, house property and all. Add everything minus this one on the net income. You are supposed to calculate your tax liability. Now, in the next session, I'll come up with complete problem with the tax liability so that it will be easy for you to understand. I'll go back to all these slides. Please take screenshot. So this is your question part, your adjustment, and these are your answer, the second part of your answer, and final answer. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood. So this is all about your business income. Next session we'll do one problem with business income with all adjustment with tax liability also, and we'll wind up this chapter.